Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Anshika and I'm here with another book video which is about thriller book recommendation. When I started reading, I was obsessed with suspense, thriller, mystery stories, and I found some amazing books to give as recommendations which I'll be talking about in this video. So if you're interested in reading some thriller mystery books and you want recommendations for that, please keep on watching till the end. The first book that I want to talk about is The Silent Patient. This is a psychological thriller. It follows a case which is being solved by this psychotherapist, and he solves the case of Alicia, which supposedly murdered her husband, and this whole case is being resolved in the story, and you get many plot twists. This story is about obsession, trauma, betrayal. This thriller fiction has one of the most amazing plot twists at the end, and it is considered one of the best books in the thriller category, so I highly recommend this. I think this book was one of the books that I read in the beginning of my reading journey, and I was completely obsessed and I was shocked at the end, so I think you should give this one a try. The next book that I have is Then She Was Gone, and yes, I have talked about this book earlier as well. It is one of my favorite books. It is just really amazing. So this is the story of Ellie. She's a 15-year-old girl who goes missing one day, and she completely disappears out of nowhere, and her case is actually closed. But then 10 years later, her mother, who's still fighting from grief and everything, she wants to find out what happened, and she finds a lead in the case, so she decides to solve the mystery on her own and find out what happened. The story that is revealed in this, it's really shocking and just too amazing, and it left me speechless and it left me crying. So there is a lot of emotional depth to all the characters, and once you're hooked to the book, you really feel the emotions of each and every character, and that's how you really enjoy this book. I would highly recommend this book if you want to read thriller novels. Next we have We Were Liars. Okay, so this is in fact a short book, but there are sequels to it, I think. This book follows this wealthy Sinclair family who spend every summer at this private island, and they have the kids, there are 4. So the story is narrated by the eldest granddaughter, Cadence, and she tells about how they spend every summer at their island and what bonds they form with, their families. But there is this shocking event that takes place, shocking and very traumatic event that takes place in their lives, which leaves Cadence lose her memory, and she is not able to figure out that what happened. But 2 years later, she returns to the island to find out that what happened, because she was very eager to find answers. She was not in contact with anyone, and she really wants to know that what happened, but her memory is completely lost. And fun fact, this book has also been converted into a series which is on Prime. Yeah, it's on Prime. So I have also seen the series, and let me tell you, it is worth watching, because it is just it's just insane. It's very amazing, and you should definitely watch the series. If you're not a reader, you should definitely watch the series. I had read the book, but still I saw the series, and even though I knew that what happened, I was still so shocked, and I was literally crying my eyes out at the end. So that's how impactful this story is, and I highly recommend that you should read this. And this book is also quite short. There are short chapters as well, and the story is overall just very traumatic, very emotional, very moving. So yeah, you can definitely read this book or see the series, because the series has portrayed every bit of this so beautifully, and I was literally left speechless at the end. I didn't know what to think or what to say. So yeah, you should definitely read and find out what I'm talking about. The Next book I want to talk about is Verity by Colleen Hoover, and this is again a psychological thriller. It has a very creepy setting, and the story is about this writer who has been offered a job to complete the project of an author who can no longer write. So she takes up this job to complete the project, but soon she finds out that this is not a normal setting, this is not a normal job, and it is full of unexpected twists. And so the whole atmosphere is very intense and very creepy, sort of. So this book really just messes with your head a lot, so you should really check this out too. So the next book I want to talk about is The Girl on the Train. I read this book a long time ago, but the story was actually really good, and I would like to recommend this book. So this book follows the story of Rachel, who takes the same train every day, and she sees her old neighborhood where her ex-husband actually lives. She takes the train every day and she sees the same view again and again. But one day she sees something really shocking, and what she sees is actually a connection to this missing woman's case. And from then on, the case actually takes off, and we are able to see that what happens. And also Rachel is a struggling alcoholic, so she is not in her senses most of the time, and it's very hard for her to know that what's true and what's not. There are unusual characters, they have their own secrets, a lot of drama and everything. So this is a good book for you to start reading thriller novels. Okay, next I have The Housemaid. I read this book a few months ago actually, and it was really amazing. It is also being converted into a movie whose trailer is already out. It is a psychological thriller packed with jaw-dropping twists and a lot of emotion, a lot of traumatic events. It follows the story of Millie, who is desperate for a fresh start, and she takes up this live-in housemaid job at this Winchester family. So there are some things unusual about these characters and this family, but Millie is really desperate for the job and, you know, starting all over, like her life. She gets to interact with all the characters and she feels like there's something unusual about them, and there are some scenes that take place which tells us as readers as well that there is something wrong with them. Also throughout the book we are just so engaged. So towards the end we are told some secrets of the family and Millie herself. It is a fast-paced book, it is very engaging, it is full of twists and drama. It creates such a thrilling atmosphere that you won't be able to keep the book down once you start reading, which is what happened with me as well. And now that they're making a movie out of this book, I am just very excited. And the trailer was also just brilliant, and every detail was mentioned in the trailer as well. So now that I've read the book, I know what the story is about, and watching the trailer I already know the plot twists and everything, so I could relate to it a lot. And yeah, I think if you want to read the book before watching the movie I think comes out in December, so you can definitely read the book or watch the movie if you want. So yeah guys, that was it for all my recommendations for thriller books, and I really hope you can find your next read from this video. And also tell me in the comments what videos you want to see next, so I would really work on those as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.